Okay, today we're doing some upgrading on my old Game Boy Advanced. The star of the show is the new IPS LCD screen, links in bio, but we're also changing the shell and buttons. First off, unscrew the 6 screws on the back of your shell. Use a triangular head for these. Then unscrew the screw in the battery holder. This calls for a crosshead. Oh no, what is this goofy goober doing that will not fit? Yes, just break the back off. How effective of you. Okay, now, remove all loose parts and unplug the ribbon cable. There are 2 small tabs securing the cable. Push these open to continue. Then remove the motherboard from the casing. Ah yes, I'm getting ahead of myself. First, you'll need to unscrew from the motherboard your final 3 crosshead screws. Printed on the PCB on the right, most tab you just pushed, there is either printed 32 or 40. I have the 40-pin version, and therefore I use the bigger of the 2 included ribbon cables. Yes, creamy thock. This guy is a total noob and will now make an erroneous decision, mounting a protective screen and then having to remove it once realizing the display comes with a protective screen already applied. It is now time for the intimidating part, affixing the new screen and the ribbon cable. Look at how my minion has oriented the front end of the shell and the motherboard, and notice what side of the ribbon is facing upwards. It is now time to push down on the black clip until it fastens the ribbon cable. Once this is over, the rest of the build is pretty self-explanatory and consists mainly of mounting screws. Even still, my underling is too prone to mistakes to let this ship sail safely ashore. Just you wait. The lion's share of the build is now over. What remains is mounting the buttons, re-screw the screws like I did your mother, and the build should be completed momentarily. While we wait for my lackey to finish, I'll humor you with a joke at my own volition. Why did the genetically modified chicken cross the road? Because it wanted to stretch its newly engineered super legs. Ha 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 ha. What in the heavens? Did he just drop the final screw of the project inside a hole in the battery holder? This is the kind of disaster you invite by hiring clowns instead of professionals. They'd probably struggle to pour water out of a boot with instructions on the heel. If done as instructed, the screen should now be working. Thank you for watching, and please leave a mean-spirited comment directed towards the incompetent builder you've endured to watch. Toodaloo.